NextGen.art AI has just been released. And if you're curious about how it stacks up as one of the best AI tools available, I've got you covered with 7 crucial things you need to know. Whether you're new to AI or looking for something that can boost your digital marketing game, stick with me. There's a lot you'll want to hear. First off, NextGen.art isn't just another AI tool on the market. It's designed for both beginners and experts, offering unique features that let you create stunning digital art in a matter of minutes. What sets it apart? Well, the AI here leverages the latest in machine learning to produce highly detailed and unique artwork that you can use for everything from marketing materials to personal projects. Whether you're running ads or building your personal brand, it can generate visuals that truly capture attention. Another great feature is the intuitive interface. Even if you're not a tech expert, NextGen.art is incredibly easy to navigate. The software walks you through the creation process step by step, ensuring that anyone can produce high-quality designs without needing to learn complex graphic design tools. One of the most exciting things about this AI software is its adaptability. NextGen.art is not just a static tool, but one that continuously learns and adapts to the style preferences you input. Over time, it fine-tunes its results based on your feedback, so you'll get more customized outputs with every use. This means that as you continue to work with it, the AI gets better at understanding your aesthetic and what resonates with your audience. The AI speed is another standout feature. While many AI software can be slow when rendering designs, NextGen.art's cloud-powered engine ensures that you can generate art without long waiting times. This is a huge time saver, especially for businesses that need quick, impactful visuals to respond to changing marketing needs or events. Now, let's talk about integration. NextGen. Art supports seamless connections with other platforms, meaning you can export your creations directly into your marketing tools, social media, or even e-commerce sites. This integration saves you the hassle of switching between multiple programs and streamlines your entire workflow. A potential downside for some users, though, is the pricing. While NextGen.art does offer a free trial, some of its more advanced features are locked behind a paywall. But with the power it brings to digital marketing, especially in visual content creation, the subscription cost might be well worth it for serious creators and businesses. So, is NextGen.art the best just released AI software? It's definitely a contender, especially if you're focused on creating unique digital art without a steep learning curve. It's fast, customizable, and delivers quality visuals in no time, making it an excellent choice for content creators, marketers, and anyone needing eye-catching designs. You can actually try NextGen.art for free by clicking the first link below, so go ahead and give it a test run. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my recommendations, and I've listed them all for you in the description. Take your digital creations to the next level, and I'll see you in the next video.